Hello friends, today we are gonna talk about what's a productivity software. Before that, let's see what is a software. Software is a set of instructions that tell a computer what to do. There are two main types of software. They are system software and application software. System software is the thing that connects hardware and liveware together. System software is a program that helps the user to run computer hardware or software and manage the interaction between them. Mainly, operating systems are in this category, but firmwares, language translators, interpreters, device drivers, and utility software are also system softwares. Application software is designed to increase the efficiency of user in completing a specific task. So let's go to productivity softwares. Productivity software is a type of software that helps user to complete tasks more efficiently. So today I am going to talk about Microsoft Office 365, which offers worksheets, datasheets, documents, and several other tools to increase the efficiency of user. So Microsoft 365 is a cloud-powered productivity platform. When we subscribe it, Microsoft 365 gives us the latest productivity apps such as Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneDrive. We can download Microsoft 365 services to our phones, Macs, and laptops. Let's talk about our first software, Microsoft Word. So as you all know, Microsoft Word is a word processing software. It allows us to create both simple and complex documents. We can download the application to our hard drive or we can access to it via online. Microsoft Excel. Excel is a program created by Microsoft that uses spreadsheets to organize number and data with formulas and functions. It is often used by accounting teams and financial analysis. Microsoft PowerPoint. MS PowerPoint is a presentation-based program that uses graphics, videos, GIFs, and etc. We can do our presentations more interactive and interesting through Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft OneNote. Microsoft OneNote is a digital note-taking app that provides a single place for keeping all your notes, researches, plans, and information. Microsoft Outlook. Outlook allows us to send and receive emails, messages, and manage our calendar. It stores names and numbers of our contacts and track the tasks. Microsoft Publisher. Publisher is a useful software program used for desktop publishing. It allows us to operate characteristics such as page size, text, graphics, and borders. Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is the ultimate messaging app for your organization and workplaces for real-time collaboration and communication meetings. We can share apps, files, and occasionally emojis too. Microsoft OneDrive. Microsoft OneDrive is the file hosting platform created by Microsoft. It allows the users to register to the service and sync their files. Hope you guys get some knowledge about Microsoft 365.